How to know if your niche will make money. Any blogger who has poured their time, energy, and money into a blogging project will tell you to avoid a blogging niche that is not profitable. This is good advice, but how will you know if your chosen niche is profitable without trying? There is something to be said for experimenting with ideas, and in some ways, you won't know until you try. But there are a lot of indications of whether your blogging idea can make money or not before you start. Here's what you should do to find out what's trending on Google. Use Google Trends to get information about any given topic. Type in your topic and see what related search terms are popular. You can also use Google Keyword Planner to find out how many people search for something. Sign up for a free account and then enter your topic into the Your Product or Service field. Google will return results showing you the average monthly searches for that term as well as related terms. Check out competitors' sites. Once you have an idea of what's trending and what people are searching for, it's time to see what your competition is up to. A quick Google search will show you who is ranking for the keywords you want to target. Look at their sites and social media accounts and take note of the following. What kind of content are they creating? Do they have a store or sell products? Do they run ads? Do they have sponsors? Do they have an email list? All of these things are clues as to how they are making money from their blog. If you can reverse engineer their strategies, you may be able to replicate their success. Experiment with different ideas. Once you have an idea of what's possible, it's time to start brainstorming ways to make money from your blog. There are a few different ways to make money blogging, including display ads, sponsorships, selling products, affiliate links, lead generation, consulting services, creating and selling courses, coaching, freelance writing. Be sure to experiment with different ideas until you find one that resonates with your audience and provides value for them. Conclusion. These are just a few tips on how to determine if your niche will make money. Doing your research beforehand can save you a lot of time and energy in the long run. What other tips do you have on this topic? Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.